Aitc TV Lawan Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali gabatamai jangka Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish Ordar mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Basyong ha ka liang persya kala Dawa badi bentung da ka jing Tohkit halor ka jing Shna Torti ya ka interstate bus terminus ka badan ha Mawïongrim Shillong ha ka jing ekran bagi lapat hai kubor ha kala asngi ublai jong ka kan riu terriku jemang arajar arpuar u chief whip jong ka liang persya ba George Billing do ulaong badi bentung da ka jing Tohkit knang ban lap e jing duna ha ka ba pentre ya kini ka caka penyeng ya ki boss kibakit ya kinong le jingle shabar jong jilla ule thu ba kaliang persya kala dep pensengau hapo kayeng dorbar thawan ka jilla namar bala pli ya kini ka caka penyeng boss ha ka shitarik uyayong arajar arpuar.
Construction of the Isbt shows that it has government has utilized around 48 crore for the utilization, and the project I think there was some cost escalation, there was time this thing overrun also. Now we alerted the government on the floor of the house that since you're inaugurating on 1st of April 2022, so whether it is April's Fool gimmick or whether it's actually a project that will serve the benefit of the state, for the state. But then from the first monsoon showers itself, everything I think has been seen by the people that the construction was shabby, not properly done, and there is in fact a scare to the lives of people who would be utilizing the Isbt. On this, we I think calls for the immediate inquiry as to the technical problems that are arising in Isbt. At the same time also the criminal negligence part of it on behalf of the stakeholders should also be looked into. I think that the inquiry will, if the inquiry is fair, then I think the government has its own guidelines to follow as to what needs to be done to such kind of negligence and perhaps corrupt practice.